test drive the 2011 TSX. The Acura TSX uses quality materials and is built with excellence. It comes equipped with a spacious interior and an impressive list of standard features and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, leather upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.